Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. It's been a little bit. Today I am excited to open my first Quirky Crate. I actually have been wanting to get this box for years. I've been watching people unbox it and it's been something I wanted, and I finally decided I'm not going to wait any longer. I'm going to do it. So we're going to be doing this today, and then also got a little mini Barnes & Noble haul. I didn't get any books, but I've got some fun little like gift things and collectibles. So. And Cheese is over here. Hi, Cheesy. He might pop up in the video. Okay, so Quirky Crate. Quirky Crate is $36.95 a month, and it comes with a box full of accessories, flair, stationery, and like some desk accessories, things like that. From what I heard, I think there's always a pair of socks in here. And each month it's a different theme, from like 90s to like cute, like cat stuff. There's always fun, cute stuff in here. So I'm really excited to see what's in this month's box. This is the June box. So let's get into it. When you open it up, and they always come in these fun, cute little boxes like this. Looks like this. The little French fry sticker. And then I'm going to show y'all before I can see. So cute. Oh, I can smell a swimming pool float, like as soon as I open the box. And this is going to be Peace, Love, and Summertime. I'm going to fold the paper back up so I can't see yet. Okay, this says Peace, Love, and Summertime. And then this kind of tells you what's on here. And then it's got, this is box number 37. It's got some information from the founder. And it says that she's excited that this box officially marks their 3rd year anniversary. She opened a gift shop in her town called Quirky Headquarters, and she designed all of the Quirky Girl enamel pins found in the crates. She's a mom. She's a wife, a roller derby teammate, that's awesome, a beginner pianist, a dog, a cat mom, and a member of our DDA board, and an entrepreneur. So that is really awesome. Her family helps pack the boxes, she does all the customer service, marketing, graphic design, curation, everything else included in running both businesses. That is really awesome. And she, her goal is to be able to support other female-ran creative businesses. So that is really awesome. And let's see what's in the box. Okay, the first thing, it says oh, this is cute. Wildwood rulers. Look, it's a little mouse. How cute is that? And I always need rulers around here. They're always disappearing. That is really awesome. Okay, and this is our little, we got a lava lamp pin. Every month you do get one of these pins. This is so cute. That is absolutely adorable. Ooh, and then we've got some really cute hairbreads. These are adorable. I bet my daughter's going to try to steal these from me. And then we've got some socks. Let's open these up. These look really cute. We've got cute little flowers on them. Those are adorable. Really cute socks. Then we got hair garlands. Oh, a make your own hair garlands kit. How cute is that? I love me a good craft kit. I'm very excited about this. And okay, this is why I smelt pool floats. We got a flamingo drink floaty. That's exciting. And then we have, oh, cute pen, a little gnome pen. Okay, this is really exciting. The last thing in here is a purse. And it's a mushroom. How cute is this? I love funky purses. And this, oh, it's got a cute little chain. We're gonna put this on here really quick. This is so adorable. I love this box. I'm so glad I finally decided to get this. Okay, look at that. How adorable is this? Oh my god, this is so cute. This is the cutest thing ever. I cannot wait to stick my stuff in here. You can fit quite a bit in here. This kind of folds up, so you can put a lot of stuff in here. Ooh, this is so exciting. Okay, so this is definitely worth $36.95. This bag alone I would pay $36.95 for, just because it's so cute and quirky, and I absolutely love stuff like this. Okay, so we got the purse. We got the inflatable drink holder. We got the make your own hair garlands, which I'm going to have fun making with my daughter. We got these cute little socks. The hair barrettes. We got the gnome pen. The wooden ruler. And then we've got our Quirky Girl pin. So I am so excited about this box. It is definitely worth the price. I cannot wait for the next month's box. Okay, so now we're going to move on to our mini Barnes & Noble haul. Okay, let's start with this. I cannot wait to do this. I've done cross stitch before a long time ago. It's been a while. I've been wanting to get back into it, and I saw this and I had to have it because I love Golden Girls. I grew up watching that show. I still like to watch reruns, and they had this. It's a Golden Girls cross stitch. It was $15.95. It comes with everything you need to do 2 projects, but there is a total of 12 patterns in here, and they are absolutely fantastic. This is what some of them look like. You've got their names, and then you've got this one here, which is their faces, and then on the back, total Dorothy saying right there. So I am very, very excited to do these. Oh, Jesus, getting in my bag. Can I have my stuff, please? Thank you. And then I got this super, super, super tiny, tiny puzzle. Like, look, can you see how tiny? This is my finger. This is how tiny these puzzle pieces are. And when it's all said and done, it's kind of like stained glass. You can see through it. I cannot wait to put this together. It's going to be a pain in the butt, but it's going to be awesome when it's done. And then we got 2 mystery things to open. We've got Series 2 of the small Pusheen vinyl figures. And then we have one of the 10th anniversary surprise plush. So we're going to open these and see what I got. We'll start with the surprise plush. I'm a huge Pusheen fan. I collect a bunch of Pusheen stuff. And these mini vinyl figures I love. I have quite a few of the series 1. I think I'm only missing like 2. And then this is series 2, which I don't have any of series 2 yet. Oh, we got the Pusheen with the ice cream. So cute. And I usually stick these like on my suitcase, my luggage, or my purse. I don't ever use them as a keychain because they just get so dirty inside of your purse. So this is really cute. I'm excited about that. And then we have, pull the stickers off, a little vinyl figure. I love these vinyl figures. Okay, that's why I brought scissors with me just in case. Okay, and this one doesn't matter which one I get because I don't have any of this series, so it won't be a duplicate. We got the cupcake. Oh my god, how cute is that? Pusheen is in the middle of the whipped cream. So cute. That is absolutely adorable. Oh, so cute. Okay, I love this one. Okay, and that is all for my haul. I hope you like it. I'm very excited about this Quirky Crate. I can't wait to show my daughter all the stuff. She's been dying for me to open it so she can see what's in here. And I'm really excited about my little Barnes & Noble haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope everyone's doing okay, and I hope everyone is kind of, you know, slowly getting back to normal, and I hope things are going well for people. I know it's still a crazy time in the world, and it seems like every day things get crazier, but we just gotta look on the bright side, and hopefully soon things will get better. Anyways, you know what I'm gonna say. There's enough shitty people in the world, especially right now. Don't be one of them. Do good things, people. That's what we need. We need more of that. So anyways, I can't wait to see you in the next video, and have a great day.